Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a memory from 8th grade. Remember it pretty good. There was 4 of my classmates, including myself, sitting at this table when we were in a home ec class. Back then, you took home ec, then they'd switch you over. We were in shop, and then they'd switch. They'd have the boys in home ec and the girls in shop, which I like to cook, so I was glad to be in there. We even did some sewing too. I learned how to. Well, my mom and Uh, some other ladies had taught me how to sew, but I know how to darn some socks, and don't think I won't either. But anyway, talking about needle use, we were sitting there and we had some. We were doing stitches with regular needles and thread. So what did a bunch of boys decide to do but to pierce their ear? Well, we had a big debate on which ear was the proper ear to pierce. And so finally we said, well, all of us do the same thing. And the teacher, she was preoccupied at her desk doing something. So we had no ice and no gloves. This individual's wearing gloves. I thought they had some kind of something going on with their skin, but evidently they're being smart and wearing gloves. And a lot of the girls would pierce their ears with their girlfriends. They'd put ice on it to numb it, then stick a needle through it. Well, we didn't have no ice, so we just shoved it through our ear. Well, some of them pulled it through and had a little string in there to take care of it. Well, I didn't. I pierced mine and pulled it out and wiped the blood off and went on about it. Well, I didn't want my mama to see that, so she had some of that foundation makeup or something. So I put that over it where you couldn't see the hole to let it cover up so it would grow back. Well, it got infected. And it would get infected, go away, get infected, go away, up till I was in high school. Well, it got really bad one time in high school, and that was the last time it got infected as well. Yeah, I could have gone to the doctor and got antibiotics, but I wasn't about to let my mama know what I'd done. So the way it looked, I had a big red spot on my ear. It wasn't blood, it was just whatever, from that. Well, it looked like I did have a piercing because a friend of mine, she said, "You pierce your ear?" And back in the day, you didn't want to tell people you had a pimple. And I'm like, no, it's some kind of rash developed there. I think it was a mosquito bite or something. A mosquito bit me and pierced my ear for me. But anyway, all of us, I don't think any of them, 2 of them went in the military, as I remember. And one of them, I think he kept his piercing, if it was the same one. But anyway, just stupid stuff we did as youngins. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.